Good morning, everybody. How are you? How we doing today? Yesterday was a very frustrating day between having to get up 10 times because my cat was just yelling as loud as possible. And then the vehicle with the horn just stuck on about 50 feet outside my window. But it was still a step in the right progress. What? That I just realized what I said. A step in the right direction. A step in the right progress? Ignore that. We'll edit that out. So I did good trading and I also did bad trading. Glad I took trades in the high volatility because that's where I do the best. I just need to remember to follow. Don't predict anything, especially don't time pullbacks. Oops. So I'm going to look at my notes real quick and then we'll possibly get started at 9:33. 2 minutes. Okay. Interesting. Oops. Forgot to record my third monitor, which I like to do. So I can go back and watch sometimes. I don't like the little chart replay thing. Alright, focus up. It's pretty choppy so far, which isn't a bad thing. Through the high of day, just a little bit. I'm gonna wait a sec. It's just 50-50. It's a 50-50 guess when I trade at the high or low of day, so I'm just gonna wait. Didn't get my mouse to the sell button in time. It's over on my right monitor. It's thinking of selling at 63. Might not have gotten filled though. If I'd gotten in a little later, might not have hit the profit target, so maybe a good thing. Cat's yelling again. Be right back. All right. Target neutralized. Quite a bit of momentum. All the way back up to the high of day. Wow. Mouse on the sell button. Looks good to go long now after that, but that would pretty much be going for a high of day break. Cat is really distracting me right now. But, fortunately, never really would have taken a trade. Conditions haven't lined up for my edge yet, so Still got 10 minutes left. Wow. Thought it was later for some reason. Had my mouse on the sell button. I didn't want to go for it because it would be timing a pivot. Timing the break of a pivot. Oh, well. Don't like that trade. I thought my entry was going to be a bit better than that. It's just so bad. So frustrating. Should have just closed it immediately, but I was hoping that it would go like even just a point into profit and then I would close it. And it didn't. It just immediately reversed. Just terrible. Terrible, terrible trading. Now there's a tow truck. I'm just so disappointed. Okay. Well, it wouldn't have hit our take profit anyways. Sim account. Tempted to take a break from streaming, but Probably won't. It's just so annoying. I don't know. So, minus 8 points. Minus 8.5 points. Not good trading. I don't even understand what this trade was here. It made no sense at all. I just wasn't even like thinking at all when I took it. I immediately regretted it, went to close the position, but I was hoping that it would go like 1 point into profit or something before closing it. Didn't. Just immediately came back. Full stop. This, if I had entered 2 ticks earlier. Great, now there's a tow truck. This is just... If I had entered 2 ticks earlier, this would have been a winning trade. Instead, I got ticked out. And the rest is history. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'm very disappointed. Thank you for watching, though. Currently not doing well. Account balance $600 below the starting balance. The max drawdown is, I don't know, like 48,200. So, you know, we got a lot of room left, but still, it's just not doing well. It's frustrating. There's a huge disconnect between me knowing what I'm supposed to do to trade well and then me actually trading. I don't think I can communicate it in a way that is properly understood as to why I'm so frustrated. Taking this trade here would be like you're in a bike competition and you just jump off the bike right before the finish line. It makes no sense. It goes against everything of what my plan is. It makes no sense why I did that. Wasn't thinking, just hit a button. Didn't hit the button like 4 times on trades that would have worked. This is just the final battle, I suppose. The psychological hurdle. And I need to remember that if I fail this funded account, then oh well. Because I will pass again. And each day that goes by, the psychological pressure will decrease a little bit. All right. Thank you, everybody. Hope you're doing better than me. And by better, I mean hope you're making better decisions. Win or lose. Should at least be losing for the right reasons and not winning for the wrong reasons. Good trades. Okay. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Or not. I don't know. Probably will. It's just so annoying. I obviously want to live stream to maintain the transparency and everything, but I don't know. I guess I'll think about it. Probably just coming up with excuses. All right. Bye-bye, everybody. Take care. You're awesome.